Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to set up shipping on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the very bottom of the left sidebar menu and click on Settings. From the Settings menu list, click on Shipping and Delivery. Under the Shipping section, look for your general profile and click it to manage it. First, let us define where you ship. Look at the Shipping Zone section and click the Add Zone button. In the pop-up box, give your zone a name and use the search bar to select your country. When you are done, click Done. Now that your zone is created, you need to add your pricing. Click the Add Shipping Option button right under your new shipping zone. In the fields that appear, type the name your customers will see at checkout, such as Standard. Next, enter your base shipping fee in the price field. For example, $150 for standard delivery. To create a free shipping threshold for larger orders, check the Offer Free Shipping box. Here you can set your minimum order amount, like making shipping free for orders 1,000 pesos and up. Once you are satisfied with your rate and conditions, click Done. Finally, look at the top right corner of your screen and click Save. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to set up shipping on Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.